Yeah, but I like to first I like to swimming at
What?
water. I like to swimming.
You like to do the swimming? Okay, so we have reached our location and as I'm more for this too. Arishi is here, so we are waiting.
What is it?
Okay, so guys, we just changed the location. We were there, and right now we got a table. Finally, I made a barbecue. Had this table ही पाएको थिएन कि? It was so packed होइन यहाँ चाहिँ अब सबैजना बार्बिक्यू खाँदै थियो नि त, so it was really packed and today is public holiday, so पुरा भिड हुन्छ कि यस्तो टाइममा. So as you can see my barbecue है, अस्ति पनि हामी आएको थियौँ बार्बिक्यू खायौँ होइन, so आज पनि आएको.
यो अर्कै barbecue हो के?
आज चाहिँ हामी अर्कै जग्गा आएको बार्बिक्यूको लागि. We'll have our masu, so cheers.
No, it's chicken.
Oh sorry, so cheers. Cheers गर्नु नि त.
I'm eating sausage.
Cheers.
No.
You don't want to do cheers?
Yeah. I'm looking.
My bunny cheese is coming out, huh?
Because I didn't do makeup, he did do makeup.
And guys, I have changed my channel name. I have changed it in Life with Pooh. So please subscribe to my channel, guys, and help me grow. And I will try to bring some good content for you guys. So it's my first time coming here, and I just घुमेको छैन. We just came and we just did the barbecue. Later we'll explore how's the place,
You say
right?
what the
What?
beach name? You say.
You say no. Gulkus. Is it
You say.
Gulkus?
No, what beach?
What is the name of the beach?
Gulkul.
Oh wow. सबै भिजे है. I'm all drowned. भिडियो गर्दा फोटोहरू खिच्दा सबै छालले भिजायो. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, universe, for this wonderful, amazing life that you have given me. So guys, now we are headed to home. So I hope you guys like the video. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel. I will see you guys on my next vlog. Till then, bye bye.